Here, Wes, go stand by the horse.
Here, Julie, I'll give you a start of those.
Where?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, really?
Where was it?
Here, right here, Wes. Go stand by
over
the
here in
horse.
front of the gate.
Go stand there with Trinity. Trinity will show you where it's at.
Where was it? Where?
Horsey.
Go stand, turn around. Julie wants to take a picture. Turn around, Wesley.
Look at Julie.
How do you stand by you? Right there, stand still.
Wesley.
Look at Julie. Look
Wesley.
at Aunt Julie.
Wesley.
Look up.
Wesley.
Look up. Say cheeseburger.
Hi. Look. Up here.
Say cottage cheese.
I might have to use this for a weapon stick.
Look, say, I got the horses in the background.
Horsies.
You ready? Wesley, look at me. Say, I'm not as fun as the horses.
Look at Julie.
Look this way.
Wesley.
Wesley.
You want to watch the horses. There, that was a good one. That should be a good
Where
one.
is his name, Mommy?
Don't eat her hair. Come over here.
The picture.
Wesley. Come over here. Right here. Now look at, turn around, look at Julie. Look at Julie. Say cheese. Make it fast.
Goat.
I can't even see it, so I'll just take a couple. That one's bad.
Goat
Yeah,
picture.
let's go. Watch him.
There they go. Want me to take your picture again with the goat? Where'd they go? Gee.
He said, picture go.
You like pictures of the goat? Where'd that goat go? You gonna go pet it?
Wanna get
You can
out?
go over by Paula and pet it? Here it comes, Wesley. He's coming to see you.
Wanna come out?
You can stand there and pet him.
Hold your hand out here. Hold your hand out.
You might have to get some food.
Here.
Reach him, reach.
I think get on top of the goat house.
You went up there with the goat?
Yeah, I'm in the yard. What's a big tractor? Come up here. I didn't know you interested in the potatoes yesterday.
You like pumpkins, don't you?
Pumpkin patch.
How many did you plant? Did you plant a lot?
We just planted like 3 rows.
Oh, really?
Are we gonna wait for the great pumpkin?
Trinity looks like she's waiting for the big pumpkin.
Do you like the white one?
White pumpkin?
The white ones are cool.
You want to sit on a pumpkin? You want to sit on Trinity's lap?
Brittany, you better
Sit on the
make this
pumpkin.
floral a pumpkin.
Are you sitting on the pumpkin? Smile real big, Wesley.
I'm going to have to get them pinned because
Stay there.
Cheese.
Say
It's
cheese
broad.
again. Say cheese. Can you say Trinity? Say hi, Trinity. Do you know that's Trinity's lap you're sitting on? Huh?
Kinda heavy.
He's as big as you.
Wanna get up?
Okay, what pumpkin do you want? Pick a pumpkin. You want that one? Pick it up.
Did you pick it up?
Pick it up by the stem. Get it?
Is it heavy? Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, you're going to have to use both hands.
That's a big one.
Take it over there to Aunt Julie.
Can you get over here, Wes?
Do you need help?
Pick it up. Pick it up both hands. I think you can hold it with both hands.
I'll help
Pick it up. You got to use your muscles.
I'll help you with.
Pick it up.
Oh gosh. Oh, that's very heavy.
Pick it up. Take it over there to Julie.
What do you say, Wes? What
Get
is
your white one. Come over here and get your white one.
Oh, that's heavy.
Hey.
This is very heavy.
The white one that you like.
Oh, it is heavy. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can pick that up.
Your white one.
Yeah, I can.
Find a white pumpkin.
You want a white
This
one?
is where we used to dump our manure, and I'm telling you what, they germinated in 2 days.
The best place where we used to grow our tomatoes was where we'd move it down along the end of the garage, and then that summer we'd plant our
Yeah,
tomatoes
but we
down
used to
along.
dump our manure over here from the barn, and I said, well, you can look at the soil how it's so different.
Is that one heavy?
And I said, gosh, we probably should put our tomatoes over here, but I couldn't get so many more tomatoes than this. But I just told Jack, I said, you know that cat's over there on the hill, and man, they're great guys. I mean, they're just
Wesley,
Yeah. Like,
you see that little bitty one in the corner? Can you get that one for Gus, maybe? Do you want to get Gus that little bitty one?
break that one off for us.
See that one way over there, that little bitty orange one? Can
Yeah.
you get that one for Gus?
about every other year, my dad puts about a foot of manure over our gardens, and it keeps. Otherwise, that thing be. What?
You want to show it to Gus? See if Gus wants
Yeah.
that one.
I said, I know people that do that, but then you have that.
Not heavy at all.
Like, I just hate
Show it to Gus. What? Oh, are you okay?
Is it quickly?
Oh, be careful. Hop up.
That's where he's going.
There he is, right there. Can you get it? You want to show it to Gus?
Are you hungry? Is that Gus's pumpkin?
Did you get one for Gus? You want to show it to Gus? He likes
Look,
it.
that's a pumpkin just for you.
Gus likes it.
A little orange pumpkin.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Little tiny one. He could probably carry
Maybe we can make a pie for you guys.
Okay.
Tiny little baby pie for
Wesley,
you.
do you like the pumpkin?
Baby,
Well,
baby.
You can leave one at my house and one at your house. What do you think?
You might have to leave.
You like the pumpkin?
You want white one?
Oh my gosh.
Here.
Are you gonna make jack-o'-lantern?
Ouchie.
Ouchie.
Are you okay? Let me see. Do you need to brush
I
off?
talked to a guy today at the Pines that said that he went and bought Easter
Did you eat
Halloween candy.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
I told Mom we should have gone there today.
But he sit on it.
You want to sit on it? It has spider webs on it.
That's okay. He doesn't care.
Yeah.
He says he doesn't want to sit on it.
But anyway,
Peg did.
and I don't even know. I was talking on my cell phone.
Well, this
and
get a stick and wipe them off.
Because you know how you can't hear in the restaurant or whatever. And I was out there, like, walking up and down out by the patio. I guess Brian was sitting in there. I didn't even know he was there. And he called the police.
Do something else.
Like,
Yes,
he
you
got
know.
house and everything.
Oh, they did. Where'd you move it?
Oh, that new subdivision out past, Brody. Off Pigeonhole Road.
Galway Trail.
Oh, darn. You weren't recording that, were you?
What?
Me talking?
No, I was recording Wes.
Oh, but I was talking.
Hi. Well, I don't know if he's tall enough if you stand up. Wait, nope. Here.
Here, let's.
Oh, Hussy.
Here. Let me know. It's just your size. Say hi, Brownie.
Want some hay? You gonna give the horse some
Yeah, give the horse some hay.
Oh, she likes that. Let's eat some hay.
Get some more hay, Wes.
Here, luckily don't take a big thing of it. Here. You see horsey? You see the horsey?
How many birds will you have?
Okay, we'll just leave that there for her. Okay, throw it in there for her. Thank you. That's enough. That's enough. We're not feeding her yet. No. What did I say?